But we are concerned with everywhere in the world. Why not in Australia?
Is the movement fairly strong in Australia?
Huh? No, not strong or weak. We are preaching our mission, and somebody who are intelligent, they're coming and joining, that's all.
Do you think your presence...
Just like a businessman goes everywhere. It is not that he has to find out particular customer in a particular place. He goes everywhere. Similarly, we go everywhere. If anyone is intelligent, if he is in need, he come to Krishna consciousness, that's all.
Do you think your presence in Australia will make a difference to the movement here?
I don't find any difference. What is the difference? I find the same human being, same man, same woman, same trees, same street, same motor car. What is the difference? You have simply made a demarcation, this is Australia. But we see everything in land of Krishna, that's all.
I, you, every one of us, we had the trouble at the time of death, at the time of birth and death. We are living entities. We are living soul. Birth and death takes place of this body. The body takes birth and the body is vanquished. Death means sleeping for 7 months. That's all. That is death. The soul is, when this body is unfit for living, the soul gives us this body, and by superior arrangement, the soul is put again into the womb of a particular type of mother, and the soul develops that particular type of body. Up to 7 months, the soul remains unconscious, and when the body is developed, again consciousness comes, and the child wants to come out of the womb and he moves. Every mother has experienced how the child moves at the age of 7 months within the womb. So it is a great science how the soul, living soul, is in contact with this material body and how he is transmigrating from one body to another. The example is given just like Vasangsi Jinnani Jatha Vihaya. We are just like when the garment or satin coat becomes too old, we give it up and we accept another satin coat. Similarly, I, you, every one of us, we are spirit soul. We are given a type of body and satin coat by the arrangement of material nature. Prakite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvas. That particular body is given to us for our particular type of standard of living. Just like you, European, American, Australian, you have got a particular type and you are given the opportunity, a particular standard of living. Just if some Indian comes to your European, American, Australian cities, just like your Melbourne city, I was just speaking to my students, if any Indian comes, so they will be surprised with this standard of living. I am suffering. Why I have to accept birth? Why I have to accept death? Why I have to accept disease? Why I have to accept old age? These are the problems. These are the problems, and these problems can be solved in human form of life, not in the life of cats and dogs. They can. So, our only request is that you make your life successful, come to the real understanding of your existence, and this is possible simply by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
7 planetary systems, do they correspond to the 7 colors and the 7 jewels of the yogi?
No, there is 7 planetary systems over us and 7 planetary systems down us. Therefore, this universe is called Chaturdash Bhuvan. 14 planetary systems. This is called Bhulok. Above this there is Bhuborlok. Above that there is Janalok. Above that there is Moholok. Above that there is Satyalok. Above that there is Brahmalok, the highest planetary system. Similarly, down also we have got Tal, Atal, Talatal, Nital, Patal, Rasatal. This information we get from Vedic literature. 14 worlds. Each and every universe is consisting of these 14 planetary systems. And there are innumerable universes. That we also get information from Brahma Samhita. Jasya prabha prabhavatu jagadanda koti. Jagadanda koti. Jagadanda means this universe is a big, I mean to say, volume, just like pond of egg. Everything, every planet is just like egg. This Brahmanda, this universe is also like egg. So there are many millions of Jagadanda. And in each and every Jagadanda, Kotishu Vasudhadi Vibhuti Bhinnam, there are innumerable planets also. So these are the information we get from Vedic literature. If you like, you can accept. If you don't like, you can reject. That is up to you.